Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have KYC and F&o access. Now move straight into a trade. First, fund your account with the required margin and verify the lot size for the contract you want. Once done, open Upstox derivatives, search the exact symbol and pick the expiry month and strike. Make sure you know whether you need NRML for carry or MIS for intraday. This determines margin and risk. Next, enter quantity in whole lots and prepare to choose an order type. Now place the order with intent and controls. Select market for immediate execution or limit to target price. Use bracket to attach stop loss and profit target in one flow. Make sure product selection matches your plan, MIS for intraday with higher leverage, NRML for overnight positions with full margins. Check the estimated brokerage and required margin displayed before submitting. Once submitted, note the order ID and watch the order book for fills or partial executions. Modify only if risk parameters need updating. Finish trades deliberately. Monitor open positions and close them or roll over before expiry to avoid unwanted settlement. Use exit orders or Upstox auto square features to manage end-of-day risk and verify realized P&L and margin release after the trade. If you plan to hold, convert MIS to NRML with sufficient margin. If something goes wrong, an order rejection or insufficient margin, add funds, reduce lot count, or change product type. If needed, contact support with your order ID for rapid resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.